Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I got some Happy Mail today, and I have a huge, well not huge, but a huge box of happiness, guaranteed, from Bath and Body Works. So it's not huge, but it is kind of heavy, so let me figure out the best way to open this. I had a haul from Victoria's Secret as well, so I'm going to be smelling good. And I love it when these places have sales, and these Bath and Body Works had a really nice sale. And I thought that I would go ahead and get things for Christmas stockings and all of that, because I love to give things like this. But honestly, when it comes down to Christmas time, if it's not on sale, or any time really, if it's not on sale, I don't usually get it. But if it's not on sale at Christmas time, it's hard to buy everybody presents that you might want to get everyone and not have it be at least a little bit on sale, or to give them all of the things. So this is kind of fun. Like, because these were so on sale, I could get, let's see, I'm looking for the price. I spent less than $100 on all of this that you will see. And I got tons of things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, wait, hold on. I got 15 things for less than 100, and then it looks like I have 2 totals. I don't know how that works. I don't know how that works, but whatever. First one I have is Sensual Amber. This is a retired scent, but I do like this scent. Oh yes, this is one of my favorites from Bath and Body Works. I love it. So this one is for me. So I'm talking all about Christmas. I'm saying, yeah, I'm doing all these Christmas. And then the first thing I open, oh, that's for me. Oh, but it smells so good. I love it. I really do like that Sensual Amber scent. And you can hear that dog lapping up the water, sorry. That's little Winnie, a big Winnie. And this one is Noir. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I say Noir. And it's black cardamom, smoky vanilla, and musk. And I got this for one of the guys. So I have Dennis and Alex. Dennis, my husband, Alex, my son, and Katie's boyfriend, David, that I buy things for their stockings. And so this is going to be for one of them. I'll decide which one is which here after a little while. And then Moonlight Path. This one is... There's 2. Moonlight Path is Lisa's favorite, so I hope she's not watching. I'm going to tell her not to watch this one. But we decided to do stockings for each other, and so I got her the Moonlight Path, and this is the body cream. And this is the shower gel. And these are like full-sized, guys. I mean, this is normally $12.50. This is normally $13.50. I mean, they were all less than $6 or $6 or less. Everything was $6 or less. So there, that's a good way to know it. So everything was at least half off. So she got the cream, or the body cream, and the body gel. And I know there's more. And this one is Sweater Weather. It is a fine fragrance mist again. Oh, and it's sealed up. I'm not sure who this one's for yet, so I'm not going to open it. But Sweater Weather, I thought that was fun. And I have Alex's birthday is in October, and Katie's is in November. Now I know that this won't be for Alex, but I could do it for Katie for her birthday too. So I don't know yet. So I'm not opening all of them. I also got the body cream of that. Let's see if you can smell it. Yes, it smells so good. Now this is a nice candle too. Oh, it smells so good. But honestly, I'm smelling my amber and I'm loving it. I don't even care that it was the first thing that I opened. So there's the Noir, and the men's is 2-in-1 hair and body wash. So this one is Graphite. Let's see, this is Sweet Pea, and this is Katie's favorite, so this will definitely be for Katie. It's the Fine Fragrance Mist, and I love the mists. I really do. And then I got a Sweater Weather soap, so there's all 3 of them. And maybe even a hand cream. I'm not sure yet. We'll see when I get there. Sweet Pea shower gel. Sweet Pea body lotion and Moonlight Path body lotion. And yay, I was hoping that I had some of this. This is the Sensual Amber hand or body cream. Love it. And the Sweet Pea body cream. So she has a whole complete set. Oops, turn one around. So she gets all 4 of them. And you know, that's a really nice gift, I think. Really nice. Even just one of them is a nice gift. But when you can do all of them, it's like, wow. Okay, and then here is Twilight Woods. Yes, that was the other one that I wasn't sure. I was like, Moonlight Path or Twilight Woods, which one is which? This one, I think I might keep the Twilight Woods. I'm not sure. I need to smell it and see if there's one that I can smell. But Moonlight Path, that is definitely for Lisa. So she'll have the whole collection too. Oh, sorry, my knee. I had to straighten it out. Almost done. And then this is body wash and foam bath, and this is stress relief. And I think my son will really like that. It is eucalyptus and spearmint. And then I think my husband will really like this one. It's sleep, it's lavender and vanilla. So he can put it in the bath as like bubbly bath, or he can use it as body wash. So I think that that's for, those are definitely earmarked for Alex and Dennis. But then I also have Ocean and Teakwood. And then I have the Noir. I think I have 2 of those then, don't I? Well, I don't really know. I have the Sensual Amber body gel. Or shower gel. I wonder if they're coming in 2 shipments. I wonder if that's why. Because I feel like I would have gotten the lotion in that Sensual Amber too. Let me just double check. Graphite, Sensual Amber shower gel, Sensual Amber body lotion. Yeah, see? Sensual Amber mist. Well, maybe not. Maybe they're calling that the body lotion, although that says body cream. I don't know why I do this. I'm like going, did I get it all? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess I got it all, so I'm not going to complain. I'm going to leave that in there. So let's go over what I got. So I got Moonlight Path. I got the lotion, the mist, the cream, and the shower gel. All of that is for Lisa. I got that same collection in Sweet Pea for Katie. I got an assortment of shower gels and foam baths for the guys. So I have the sleep and stress relief. And then I have Teakwood, 2 Noirs. So I'll probably give the Noirs to the younger kids just because I don't know. And I'll give 1 to Dennis, and then I'll just end up giving 2 to Alex and 2 to David probably. And I have an Ocean and a Graphite, and I know Katie likes the scent of the Ocean, so I'll probably do that one for David. And then I have sweater weather. I have a set of sweater weather, but I didn't get the hand cream. But you know what? That's okay. Maybe the body cream is good. So I have a set, which I think is nice. And if I like this, like I said, I don't know if I'm going to give this to Katie. I could give it to Dennis's mom. Sorry, I'm like, Dennis has his mom and his aunt that we get something for. So I could give it to Dennis's mom or Dennis's aunt. Sorry, all of my stuff is over here. I'm working on some inventory. So I have that, which I like. And then I have Twilight Woods. But I guess I didn't get a lotion of the Twilight Woods, which is very weird. I have the scent thing, and I have the body wash or shower gel. So I don't know. Oh, this one's open. I don't know where to spray it. I'm gonna smell like... Oh, but that smells good too. Oh, that smells really good. Not as good as my amber. The amber is my favorite, but this smells good. Oh, it smells really good. I love the Twilight Woods. That's really nice. I might keep that. And that is everything. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. It was quite fun to get. And I'm kind of excited about all the different things. Even though I thought that I got something different, I can certainly make this work because there's enough to mix and match that, you know, even if you gave one person just a couple of things, it's still wonderful. I think it's a very nice gift. So I love the sales where I can stock up and get a few things like the soaps and the things like that. But I also like these sales where I can get collections of things and give those as gifts. So that's nice. I'm excited. Thanks for watching. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. And I'm sure Bath & Body Works will have lots of sales before the holidays. But I thought this one was neat because you could get things that were retired, like the amber. Sensual Amber. I don't know why I like that scent so much, but I so do. And I'm really surprised that I didn't get myself a body lotion, but I did get myself a body cream, so let's just use that for now. I was probably thinking that I shouldn't be thinking of myself, but this is a retired scent, and I should have thought of myself. I'm a dingbat, but I love it. Oh my gosh, it just smells so good. And I do like their body cream. I might even like their body cream more than I like their lotion because the body cream is a little thicker and it's really nice for my dry hands. So after I'm thinking about it now, saying it out loud, it's probably fine that I got the body cream. Use that instead all the time, you know, like in replacement of the body lotion. Because I think of the body cream, when I think of that, I think of hand cream. And then when I think of the body lotion, I use that after I get out of the shower. But there's no reason why I couldn't use this whole cream when I get out of the shower. So, oh, I will be smelling good tomorrow. Well, thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day. I hope that you like this. I hope it gave you maybe some ideas or at least a smile. So thanks for watching again, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.